The MLA of 19 South Shillong Constituency, Sanbor Shullai, led an inspection of the Laban Police Station to assess the site for the construction of police staff quarters as part of a central government initiative to be overseen by the Police Engineering Wing. Accompanying Shullai were key figures including the Police Department Engineer, the officer in charge of the Laban Police Station, Laban Headman Edward Kharwanlang, and members of the Dorbar Shnong Laban. During a media briefing on Saturday, Sanbor Shullai, also the chairman of the Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation, disclosed that the proposed police staff quarters with multiple parking lots are estimated at a cost of Rs 47.28 crores for the construction of 2 G+2 RCC buildings, each housing 6 units for the Laban Police Station quarters. Shullai added that the expected completion time for each set of 20 households is 24 months.
Tu hadirin jaga jongkan ke police station katuk kin sedang no ngatrai tang ladap ke station by first week of March nagaliang juga police department juga engineering wing iba nong stage kumu ba ruby nong stage kumu executive engineer ba kila long ready tang dap ke station kin sedang takrang ba ada meantime ngaru kumu MLA juga jaga ngilai keren bat ke police department ba ngin wara apa digini ke berang don kambat gi quarter bagan ke parking pada hak second phase ke quarter normally disebut 24 months arpsau berai
kembangan itu terlibat di household dalam ini kota
ani kaya bun kaya don nimat isaki arpusan pinsim segini pergi sinahi dala dia bagi open car gini ki vacant land vacant gini jaga ki space ki ba iplai dala dia kita lembram balom ka slum pini supet bipilai biya mana la im ka slum tegi nala ka condition juga nala condition juga neki footpath don ka turun kobar lang naga scheme ko pasan kruduna kobar sina bahai gitu karang bukan itnat ko tu siliang dan lawan ka second phase pan ngin pen prano gini barim gini asam type baron pen pran sina na RCC including yang ka parking karang bagi paj ba apa go don kam hangna police station don ngino ki case layo ron ban parking kali kin rung na police station.
On the same day, the South Shillong MLA inspected an aqueduct drainage near a private residence adjacent to the St. John Laban parish. This drainage project is funded under the SPA State Public Works Department scheme amounting to Rs 55.29 crores with work scheduled to commence after the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
Te ngilayo aru ya kana ka hadin juga de play ngilai yang te haneng hakabakaron gijing ba gijing ut naki hakabade ga tuka ya ga tuka lenti ya kinala ba ki pipe ba kilashu pur pathar kum tu kan leakage kan gijing mensa kam tam hangi yang te ngi don ga yang mani Laban Catholic parish ka jongi kibukan yang mani bawa ni muka kamnya tu jaga hang tu don ki babun ki kis bisa lumbob ki khana school jongka St. John school kiba nangta kadon sega evening school ru jongka Catholic women evening school lang tu kiba village school bar step bro isi jamit ru ka school ka serang san beji jamit tu kalong busy ba na road kalong very ka population ru ka bun ba ki school ki mani te kalong kajing bensa ko bun ki complain ta habakat du ya ganerung layo move nagalang jok pludi layo san pusan lang ban sina no ban ya ka aqueduct channel system tetang sina ya ganer komod ki kali gilaya ki khana school ni ki nong ya ki pedestrian ko yo ban ya na jong ka aqueduct te kana kan yarap sibu na akalet kawan ga jongki ban lakin lait naga jing bensa te ki scheme boro kalau long kubasan krur san paulak ya ka jongka pludi aqueduct san lak berkata san krur na bade kuatar jongki liki polis aga ka Laban Police Station go jongi.